this is how I make my gift for the closing for clients. All right, I do a flower or a plant. Today, since we're close to the holidays, I'm doing one of these, I think they're poinsettias, one of the holiday flowers, okay? I have skewers. So my wife came up with this idea. These are the skewers that you use when you're like barbecuing. They worked perfect. They're nice and long, they're pointy on the end, so they go down in the dirt. I just normally tape the gift cards to the top, and voila, you can put it in there. So let's do that. So first gift card. All right, so we've got one gift card. This one goes in the middle. Take it right there. Two gift cards. Actually, let's take that on the bottom too. Tape it across here like that. Two gift cards. And three gift cards. Okay, now pretty simple. I just let's see here. We're going to do the plant. We'll do it this way so you can see it. So we'll put one like that. We'll put one right here. And we'll put one right there. See? Voila. Maybe adjust that one a little bit, and voila, there's my nice closing gift for the client. All right, well, thank you for watching. This is Sean Leonard with Housing Around AZ, powered by King and Sky Realty, and you have an amazing day.